So let's now apply equivalence partitioning using this example on Facebook registration. So here's the first name, let's say new tester, the email, and re-enter email. Then we have a password, let's say this password, and then we have a valid value for age. Okay, let's sign up. Okay, he says that there is an existing account with this email. Let's change the email. Okay, sign up. So the first test case has passed. This is the test case for the age between 100 and 13. Let's try an age that's smaller than 13. So here we have the same fields, but for the birthday, I should choose an age that is smaller than 13. For example, someone who is born in 2017, male, then let's sign up. So here, he says it looks like you have entered the wrong info. Please make sure that you use your real date of birth. So this is correct because no one would use Facebook who is born in 2017. Let's try something else like 2010, sign up. Sorry, we are not able to process your registration. So here Facebook has two invalid partitions less than 13. One for young people who are, for example, 10 years old, 9 years old, and they have the ability to access the internet and sign up. In this case, he gives them an error message telling them that they cannot register to the website. But when we choose someone who has only 3 years old, it is not logical that this kid who has 3 years old can access Facebook and register. So in this case, he gave us another error message telling us that it looks like you chose a wrong birth date. So these are two invalid partitions less than 13. Let's try the other invalid partitions. We might notice something here. Facebook prevents the user from using these two invalid partitions, which are -3 and 3. You cannot enter a string in the age, so this value cannot be used. We can cross it. You cannot test it, and this is a good thing, okay? The developer prevents the user from entering wrong values. And also -3 cannot be used because, like you see, in Facebook, the maximum year of birth is 2020. So you cannot choose a negative value for age. You cannot choose the year of birth as, for example, 2023. So let's try someone who is older than 100 years. Also, Facebook prevents you from entering an age that is older than 100 years. Or you can, like you see, if you are 100 years, you are born on 1920, this for 115 years. But I think that Facebook will let us in because some people might live that long, like 110, 120, and that's why they leave 19 and 5, 19 and 6 available for registration. Let's try it. So here we are able to sign up normally. So if the requirements for Facebook are like the one in our system, if the maximum age for registration is 100, this would be considered as a bug. But in Facebook, looks like the maximum age for registration is 115, not 100. So always try to use this technique in your system.